Impacts of the government shutdown are being felt across the country, including right here in the Chicago area. The U.S. Senate again today voted down the Republican stopgap plan. The government and they also voted down the Democrats' plan that funds health care subsidies to prevent millions of Americans from losing their coverage.
So right now, federal workers are bracing for layoffs and furloughs. A lot of questions about this. NBC 5's Jenn Schanz joining us now with the latest on day one of this government shutdown. Jen?
Steph and Allison, part of the frustration here is the uncertainty, and there's a lot of it. Around 1,000 Region 5 EPA employees, most of them here in Chicago, are waiting right now. They've been told a furlough is coming, but don't exactly know when or for how long.
We care deeply about our work. We want to make sure that we be able to protect the people of the Great Lakes.
Much of the EPA's work in Region 5, explains local union president Nicole Cantello, is bringing lawsuits to polluters of the air and water. Without her union members reporting to work, she fears
it would be a polluter's holiday, that they would be able to pollute with impunity. And there is this threat hanging over our heads from the Trump administration that not only will they furlough the employees, but then while they're on furlough, they will fire them.
President Trump's budget director told House Republicans layoff notices for some federal workers could come out later this week. The military, TSA, and air traffic controllers are considered essential and will continue working without pay for now. National parks workers, usually considered non-essential, and are expected to be furloughed, as are a quarter of the Transportation Department's staff. Lawmakers pointing fingers for this partial shutdown across the aisle.
It ends when the Senate Democrats pick this bill up, passed by the House of Representatives, and vote for it.
The Republican health care crisis is immoral in nature, and Democrats are fighting hard to reverse it.
In Illinois, there are more than 153,000 federal workers, including 33,000 in Chicago and 58,000 in Cook County.
We have people who are working people just trying to put food on the table, who, when they lose salary, it will cause a huge hit for them.
The Greater Chicago Food Depository, which supports more than 800 local pantries and kitchens, says while the immediate impact is minimal because their food is already stocked, quote, the longer the shutdown persists, the greater the risk that these benefits will be disrupted, threatening the well-being of those who rely on public food assistance. The last time the government shut down was in late 2018. It lasted 35 days that time. So what's next? Well, Senate Republicans need 5 more Democrats to break from their party and vote with them to pass a funding bill. Senate Democrats telling NBC they're confident people will hold firm for now. More to come. Back to you.
We will be following it all. Jenn Schanz with us tonight. Thanks so much.